So this is going to be a very quick video on to what happened today, today's review, and also I'm going to share my play for tomorrow. It's going to be on J&J, Johnson and Johnson. So let's take a look at today's play. Like I said yesterday, AMD is going to be my favorite. This is how it went. Let's go on 5 minutes chart. Why was my favorite? Because I didn't see much of a support level close to my target, so that's why it was my favorite. So this was the entry and this was the target. It didn't hit my entry, but I was focusing on AMD. That's why I entered right away in the morning, and this is how it went. Why I went in it, like I said already, because I didn't see any support levels, so I was pretty much sure that it's going to go this way. What happened? Let's take a look at Amazon. Got a little bit distracted. My baby always needs me. So yeah, for Amazon, the entry was this one, 138.89, filled right away in the morning and hit the target in one single candle, and this is how it went. It went even down to that, and then it chopped. I already said that it was going to chop because of the levels. Let's take a look at AMD, Amazon, and the other one was, I have to take a look. I totally forgot. Oh, PayPal. So yeah, PayPal's entry was right over here, and then this was the target. Like Amazon, it filled and then hit the target. It does look similar to Amazon, like this, and then the pop and then went down. Yeah. So SPY, do you guys remember, if you have seen my previous video, I told you that I'm not going to buy SPY because the levels it is in between is going to chop, because previously when it was in those levels I had a lot of losses, and that time I didn't know. So yeah, you see, a very tight range for tomorrow. I'm sorry, for today. And it was just chopping, not going anywhere. Let's go to daily and auto. So yeah, these are the lines. I'm not going to get into any trade if it is in between this. If it crosses this level, it is 403.59, I'm going to get into puts. If it went above it, I'm going to get into calls. This is another resistance level, this one. You see this? Most of the candles, they are over here. So yeah, and let's take a look at the entry for J&J. I'm going to end this video pretty quickly because it's too late and my baby want to sleep. So yeah, entry for long, I'm going to, okay, let's see this. What's going on? What happened? The baby is like, what are you wearing, mama? Okay, so entry is 170.98 for getting into calls, and the target is going to be 171.35. And if it goes short, that means I'm going to get into puts. The entry for puts is 169.87, and the target is going to be 169.85. 0.49. Yeah, that's going to be the target. But also, let me show you on daily, it is very close to the resistance level. So I'm going to be very careful on this one. Very small. You see this, and this level. This level over here, you see these, it's chopping at the same level, right? So very much chances are it can chop over here, but if it clears, then this is the next level. So yeah, I'm going to be very cautious, small sized. If it crosses this level, I'm going to leave the runner, and then it can probably hit this level. But yeah, also always remember to have a stop loss. And yeah, these are my plays, and if you want to take my plays, that's going to be at your own risk, and I'm not selling anything. Yeah, always manage your losses, so do not burn yourself. And if you have, also one more suggestion, never invest all your money in one trade, because if you invested in one trade and then you hit the stop loss, or you let it run it on itself and then it's going in loss and loss and loss, you may probably gonna get next trade and without looking at any levels, and then that can also win in losses, because that happened to me. And yeah, that's why I always say always have a stop loss. So if it hits the stop loss, you're gonna get like a minimum loss. But if you decide to, yeah, let it go, it may turn into profits if I don't look at it. So yeah, always have a stop loss. And that's all for today. Thank you for joining the live, and I hope if someone sees, that's going to be a bonus for tomorrow. And yeah, let's hope we make money and go small tomorrow. Tomorrow is CPI. So yeah, bye bye.